The Da-Lite Designer Contour Electrol with integrated infrared remote control is designed with a stylish curved aluminum extruded case that is standard in white or optional black finish. Its compact dimensions make the Designer Contour small enough to fit into any installation. The Designer Contour Electrol case can also be customized with optional graphite or veneer finishes for the front cover of the screen case. Screen operation is controlled by a 3-button wireless infrared remote transmitter and Decora-style 3-position, low-voltage wall switch and includes a 10-foot power cord. Before starting the installation process, the tape and rubber bands that secure the slat bar will need to be removed. The Designer Contour Electrol can be mounted to a wall using the supplied wall mount bracket, mounted flush to the ceiling using the ceiling mount bracket, or hung from the ceiling using the hook mount hole in the ceiling bracket. To wall mount the Designer Contour Electrol, first you must remove the wall mount bracket from the back of the screen case by loosening the stop screws. Secure the wall mount bracket to the wall at the desired height and make sure it is level. The bracket should be fastened to the wall studs or some reinforcement within the wall. You will need at least 5/8 of an inch between the ceiling and the top of the wall mount bracket in order to position the case onto the bracket. Mount the Designer Contour Electrol on the wall bracket using the case hook channel on the back of the housing. Adjust the screen left or right for centering and tighten the stop screws against the wall bracket. Plug the supplied power cord into a 110-volt outlet and the Designer Contour Electrol is now ready for operation. Press the down arrow on the remote to lower the screen, the up arrow to raise the screen, and the center button to stop the screen at any point.